Hello everyone! This is Cyril from Canon Middle East. Welcome back to a new episode of Canon Creative Park Tutorials, where we are making paper crafts fun for everyone. If you have missed the previous episodes and would like to know more about Creative Park app and its offerings, check the link in the description. Birthday celebrations are always fun, but with Creative Park, even the preparations that happen before the birthday can be as much fun. Creative Park offers a huge range of birthday-themed paper crafts, such as party hats, greeting cards, gift boxes, and much more. So, today's theme is birthday celebrations, and together we will be making a cake box, we have our cake box template and instructions downloaded and printed. Before we get started, let me take you through the tools we will be using. First, we have our Canon Pixma printer. We have our Canon matte photo paper, scissors, and a glue. First step is cutting the shape of the cake. Second step is folding the lines and adding curves where needed. The last step is gluing the green dots together and the blue dots together. And here it is, a cake box that can be used for popcorn, chocolate, or even small birthday gifts. Check the Canon Creative Park app for interesting birthday ideas and gifts, and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Bye-bye!